Dutchland is a company that specializes in designing, manufacturing, and constructing state-of-the-art precast concrete post-tension tanks. We've been in business for over 35 years and have more experience than any of our competitors in engineering and building tanks.
Dutchland is one of the few companies that incorporates post-tensioning into a precast design, where we combine the benefit of concrete with the benefits of high-strength steel to result in an incredibly highly durable product.
One of the big advantages that Dutchland has is the experience of our design team. We have a team of structural engineers and CAD designers that have been designing and building tanks for a long time, and we know the efficient methods that we like to use to build tanks. Every tank is different and has to be designed individually, but knowing what works and what doesn't work helps us develop the project to run well.
At Dutchland, we are vastly different from cast-in-place suppliers. We rarely change a material. Most of what we use is very local to us, which helps us considerably in producing concrete. It keeps the variables to an absolute minimum. We have a high level of control in here. You've got a lot of checks and balances that you can put in place in a facility like this that you just can't get in a cast-in-place or an on-site environment.
The purpose of the rebar is to absorb tensile forces and minimize cracking in all our pieces for the customer. So everything that's done over here is done efficiently to help production save time on their side.
Every panel that is produced will be built by a team leader and a team in production. Once the panel is ready, has all of the embedments, all of the reinforcing placed, then they will call for a pre-pour inspection.
For the engineers, it's very important that they know that the product is getting built the way they designed it. So we'll take the engineer's drawings, the design drawings, and we will compare everything from dimensions to all the embedments, everything that needs to be in that piece to the print, and make sure that it's there and it's properly located.
We utilize a moderate sulfate-resistant cement, which is excellent for wastewater environment. The fly ash addition also really aids in sulfate resistance in a wastewater environment. Gives you a good durable concrete for a long term. When you cast horizontally like we do, you have the benefit of being in a horizontal position. Most of what we pour is probably between 8 and 15 inches thick. It's very easy to pour that product in a flat position, get it completely consolidated correctly, not leave any voids or honeycombing.
The advantages that Dutchland brings to project sites is having less workers on the site and a smaller impact on the job site and surrounding community. Our customers consistently experience project cost savings due to things such as less excavation, simplified site logistics, and a faster overall installation. Also, because of these benefits, most general contractors and construction managers see Dutchland as a strong project partner to get their projects done quickly and efficiently.
We've been very happy with the construction of the Dutchland panels as opposed to poured in place. Switching to that option actually has benefited the authority.
The installation of the panels has been very smooth and efficient in terms of coordinating the trucks, setting the panels quickly and efficiently.
My experience with Dutchland has been excellent. We built this tank over here for Lake Hawk Township in 1991. This one we're standing on was built in 2010. The product is excellent. We've never had any issues with it. So for us to build our new water treatment plant, which it's in construction right now, it was a no-brainer for the township.
Dutchland has the capability to deliver quality product and there's certainly cost advantages. We have a very tight critical path on this project for upgrading the City of Reading wastewater plant, and Dutchland's enabled us to meet that schedule and commitments.
When Dutchland commits to the project, they stay with it. When it's time to erect a tank, it's all business. Even with the miles between the GAP facility and our location, there weren't delays. We continue to find the same flexibility and durability in their products. As we've progressed at Nous Foods, we've tried to incorporate them in the project. And our wastewater treatment plant is an example of that down below.
We have been very happy with the selection of Dutchland for our wastewater treatment. It allowed for a very quick erection time. It's a very durable product. We selected everything on what we felt is a life cycle value. We believe it will give us a very long life with very minimal maintenance.
This was originally going to be cast in place concrete, and early in the pre-construction phase we recognized that one, we needed something more efficient. We wanted the consistency in the end result, and that was going to be challenging to meet schedule, meet that consistency by just using a conventional cast in place concrete. And by selecting Dutchland, we looked at past performance. We also looked at the company's core values and its people. The people are sincere, they're passionate about their product, they're passionate about how they conduct business through the good and through the challenges. And a company's measure is how it performs through the challenges.
In the near future, I foresee Dutchland being able to bid and build work anywhere in the U.S.
Dutchland can design and construct circular tanks, rectangular tanks, elliptical tanks, and also turnkey wastewater treatment plants. All of our products are designed to the highest standards set forth by the American Water Works Association and the American Concrete Institute.
Dutchland has a wealth of experience and relationships with engineers and general contractors and has built well over 1,000 tanks in the last 30 years. And so there's nobody else who does what Dutchland does.